We are on our third day in Vietnam in Ho Chi Minh City. My friends ordered mangosteen for us, and today we're going to Bún Bò Huế for breakfast. First of all, I would like you to know that I am super duper picky about Bún Bò Huế. It had to be delicious for me to make this review. The price of this place is about 25,000 dong to 50,000 dong, depending on what you order. I ordered the most expensive one, which is 50,000 dong. It's about $2, and it is so delicious. While we were eating, I was asking my friends, how did she decided to which one is good, which one is bad? Because there's so many restaurants, and every step that you walk in Saigon, there is a restaurant. And she say that she eat a lot, and she been living there for all her life, and she go out to eat a lot. All she does every day, she's a stay-at-home mom, and all she does is think about, well, not all, but the main part of her day is think about what to eat. What? Sorry. And she say that if we go to a fancy restaurant, it's fancy, it's nice, but the food is not good. However, this is bánh lọc. It's so good. Oh my God, I'm still drooling talking about this. It was actually brought to us from Nha Trang, and today we're visiting my granduncle. This is this young man in here is my grandmother's youngest brother. He is 84 years old, and he still looks good and young and healthy. So we're very happy to go see him. We made a lot of videos, but I don't know where I couldn't find the videos. And in front of his house there is a fruit stall. So we're getting some coconut and durian. The coconut was about, I believe, was like 15,000 dong, which is about 60 cents per. And we bought a bunch of it for everybody at my uncle's house. And the man there was so nice because we didn't bring any money with us to the store, but he said just bring the money back later. And of course, Mia have to get her hair dyed. Today is a third day in Vietnam, and she already get her head service twice already. And Katie is getting some durian. This is her first durian in Vietnam, so she was very happy and excited. She had been thinking about it for a long time. And this is my granduncle's wife, and she's also a hairstylist, and she is making Mia look pretty. And this is my my mom's sister. And Mia's getting pampered by my uncle's wife. And look right there, because they live in District 7, so there's stuff everywhere. And after big meals from my granduncle's house, we go to one of my cousin's house in Quận Tân Bình, which is close by the airport. And she made more food for us. And after the food, we go to a bookstore because the girls didn't find any book to read on the first day. So we decided to go to a mega bookstore. It was massive, to find some books and toys. Mia had been captivated by the capybara. And the bookstore was on Nguyễn Huệ Walking Street, or also referred to Nguyễn Huệ, phố đi bộ Nguyễn Huệ. And Mia is getting a treat. On this walking street, you're not there's no vendor are allowed on the street to sell anything, but these people here are selling they're selling on this walking street illegally. So, and as Katie was taking out the money to pay the man for the treat, he ran away, took everything and ran away. Look right there. You can see all the street vendors are running away because they saw the police coming. It was quite a scene. Remember, this is our third day in Vietnam and our first time on a street like this. And we were scared.
Yummy?
At this point, we still haven't paid the street vendor yet.
Mia, how does it feel to eat something illegal?
Vậy là con gì của
After all the walking, we decided to go into a hotel for a drink. Let me tell you this, drink on the street was cheap. Say, for example, a normal store or restaurant, beer would cost us about 20,000 dong, which is almost $1. But in here, a beer poured into a glass, same beer costs like 15 times more. It's crazy. A beer like this right here cost me 350,000 dong, which is about $16 for a beer. We came home full, but there's more fruit. This is mango came from Nha Trang. Our friend sent mango from Nha Trang to Saigon for us.